RIDGID 16-gallon NXT Blower Vac, part of the most powerful line of vacs RIDGID has ever made. This 16-gallon vac is 2 best-in-class tools in 1 and was built for the job site. Whether the mess is coming or going, this large capacity drum can handle the biggest messes. All 4 casters store your locking accessories, and the rear tool caddy gives you more space, so everything is within reach. Know your stored accessories are more secure than ever, even when upside down. The same goes for your dual flex hose and the 20-foot power cord. Included locking accessories lock together so nothing comes loose during use. The 7-foot dual flex hose is extra flexible in tight spaces. The latches quickly open for easy access to the filter. Our patented Quick Lock filter quickly snaps on and off for changing or cleaning. With 9 design upgrades and other standard features, this 16-gallon vac is our commitment to quality and power for the pros. Now, let's talk power. Featuring our highest-rated 6.5 peak horsepower motor, this vac's power can be seen and felt. Detach the motor, and you have a powerful emission-free blower with air speeds up to 180 miles per hour, while the 20-foot power cord gives you maximum reach. Use it, abuse it. With a built-to-last design, the 2-piece drum construction is our most durable yet, and it all comes with RIDGID's industry-leading full lifetime warranty. RIDGID 16-gallon NXT Blower Vac. It's next-level power, durability, and design. It's next-level RIDGID. Upgrade to the next level today.
Looking for a quieter, better, smarter portable generator? The IQ 3500 from Generac is quieter and more powerful than Honda generators. It's ideal for work with a durable steel enclosure and easy portability. It's ready for play with advanced inverter technology that delivers ultra-quiet performance. It's made for home applications with hassle-free startup, and with its advanced power rush technology, you can do more with less. With true power technology, the IQ 3500 provides clean, stable power, ideal for sensitive electronics. And its paralleling capabilities allow you to take on powerful tasks. Get smarter with the new IQ 3500, available now from Generac.